Everyone in the bay, weather the storm. Home and Away, Monday at 6 on Channel 5.
Action! PlayStation Move Sports Champions. The game is just the start. Games on PS3 sponsors movies.
Hey, Woody! Did you miss me? Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up! I'm a cowboy!
Oh, you pinched a chip off my plate.
You're broken.
No.
I don't want to play with you anymore.
I've put the heating on.
Easy? Is that you?
Hey, Woody.
What are you doing up here? I thought Mom took you to get your squeaker fixed months ago. Andy was so upset.
Nah,
Not sure
she
about
just
the
told him
cheese.
that to calm him down. And then put me on the shelf.
Well, why didn't you yell for help?
Well, I tried squeaking, but I'm still broken. No one could hear me. Besides, the dust aggravates my condition. What's the point in prolonging the inevitable? We're all just one stitch away from here to there.
Yard sale. Yard sale! Yard sale!
Guys, wake up, there's a yard sale outside!
Yard sale?
Sarge, emergency roll call! Sir, yes, sir! Red alert! All civilians follow in position now! Single file! Let's move!
Ma'am, here, potato head, Mr. and Mrs.
Here.
Twinkus, check. Check.
I hate yard sales! Ah! Someone's coming!
Okay, let's see what's up here.
Want some more?
Hi, Woody.
One with a bit of bread.
Think, Woody. Think. Oh! Oh!